Hello everybody, it's Steve, and yes, I'm doing a quick video about Wordle, the game that is taking the world by storm. How you play Wordle is pretty easy. If you remember the board game Mastermind, it's very similar to that. You're trying to guess a 5-letter word, and you hit the enter button to submit. After each guess, the tiles, the color of the tiles will change, tell you how close you were to each word. If you're putting in the word weary, but W is in the correct place, the letter will light up as green. If you have, let's say, the word pills, and the I is in the word, but it's in the wrong place, you'll get this kind of beige light up for it. If it's just not in the word at all, you'll get the letter U, or you'll get this gray background like we have for the letter U in vague. This is the puzzle for January 25th, 2022, and a lot of people have their own little tactics for how to do this game. You have people who will do adieu if they want to make their first guess be using up a bunch of the vowels. You also have people who will do the words house followed by the word paint to knock out all of the vowels in 2 words. You also have folks who will go for the RSTLNE that you have for Wheel of Fortune, and words like that can include rents or stern, which is actually one of my words. I usually use the word stern to start off. Rents, if you do this one, it's not a bad word to use, but also there aren't a lot of plural words, 4-letter words with plurals. There's a lot of 5-letter words as well, so S, having this in the end spot, may be a bit of a waste. So let's try the word stern for this puzzle. Hey, actually, this is pretty good. I actually know that the first letter of this word is S. I also know that not the 4th letter of this word is R, because it's in this gold or beige background, which means it's in either this spot, this spot, this spot, or this spot. Now I gotta figure out where to go from here. So we know S is the right place for it, and you have the keyboard down at the bottom of the screen. You can kind of figure out where you gotta go from here. So I gotta find a way to get other vowels in here and also move the R about as well. So I'm thinking of just putting in small, but it doesn't have the letter R in it. So let's try, ooh, sharp. That one has a lot of letters. Nope, wait, nope, has the R in the wrong place too. Okay, let's think for a second. Score is another letter, or another starter word that I often work with. Okay. No. Again, it's that putting that R in a different place. S-I-R... No. Simon, not in the word list, but also a proper word. Okay, it's probably not S-R, because I don't think there's a lot of S-R words in the English language. So let's try... Nah, we don't. R's not in there, so this is where this game can actually take a little bit of time for folks. Let's try. Nope. Oh, swarm. Nope. Dang it. These R letters in this exact same place. Okay, so let's think of a word that starts with S and has an R in a different spot than the 4th letter. Yeah, soars? That works. Okay, so we know it's not in the 3rd or 4th place. I don't know of a lot of SR words, so I'm pretty sure that the R is now the last word, or the last letter in this word. So it's S something 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 R. Let's see. No. And this is just me just putting in letters and just seeing, okay, is anything going to stick with this? Let's see. It's U. Oh. That's a word. Let's try this. Okay, that was actually the solution for this one. Sugar, and this is my Wordle streak. I usually play this one on my phone, actually. I've been playing it, going back and forth between my phone and my computer, so I popped on the computer for this one. Yesterday's one of Noel. Good God, that was a pain in the ass. I actually did that one up on my phone. I forgot to do it on this one completely. So when you do that, you just copy your results to your clipboard, slap it into your Twitter account, and share it out. Or you just let me know in the comment section how you do with your Wordles. Respond to me on Twitter. I've got the link to my Twitter profile in the description for this video. But that's how I solve Wordle. How do you solve this game? Let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this video and all the videos that come out on this channel. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.